Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix YouTube TV, YouTube Smart TV sign-in error. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on the official Google support website. So to troubleshoot this error for smart TVs, make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube application. So make sure you have updated the YouTube application on your smart TV if you haven't already. And then you have to make sure that you are using a Google account to sign in. So make sure it's a Gmail email address. And if it still doesn't work, you just have to reset the YouTube app in the settings. If you are signed in, this will sign you out. And make sure your smart TV, aka your console, is supported by the latest YouTube application. So this is how you fix your YouTube smart TV login error. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.